Hello everyone. So welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to save Close CRM leads in Google Sheets automatically. So the idea is that if a new form submission happens in Close CRM, it will automatically send this data to Google Sheets. But the issue here is there is actually no connection between Close CRM and Google Sheets. So that is why we will be using an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Close CRM and Google Sheets. Now the best part of using Pabbly Connect is any person without any technical background can perform this integration very easily. Now before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example.
Okay, so this is my Close CRM account and this is my Google Sheet. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a dummy lead in Close CRM and then we will see whether the details of that particular lead is available in Google Sheets or not. So let us perform the experiment. So we are going to create a new lead and the company the lead works is, let's say, IBM, and the name of the lead is, let's say, Steffi Graph. Okay, so let me just straight away click on create lead. A new lead called as Steffi Graph has been created. So let's have a look. Do we have the details of this particular lead in Google Sheets or not? Yes, we have the details of this particular lead, that is Steffi Graph, who works in this organization IBM in Google Sheets. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Close CRM to Google Sheets? So basically here we are using an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Close CRM and Google Sheets. Okay, so this is how the integration will work. First of all, what you're going to do here is you're going to integrate Close CRM and Pabbly Connect by copying and pasting the API key from Close CRM into Pabbly Connect. And after that, you are going to collect the leads data from Close CRM in Pabbly Connect. And furthermore, you are going to integrate Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect and send the leads data from Pabbly Connect to Google Sheets. Now, the importance of building this workflow is once you have integrated Close CRM and Google Sheets with help of Pabbly Connect, all you have to do is just sit back and relax, because whenever a new lead is created in Close CRM, automatically that data will be sent to Google Sheets in real time. Now, before I show you the steps, how about I give you a little perspective? Okay, so to begin the process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. Here you can build your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already built an account. So when I click here, I will be straight away directed to the app section of Pabbly. So this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, Create Workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm planning to give it as Close CRM to Google Sheets. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally on you. And let me just straight away click on Create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now we want to send the data from Close CRM. So let me just add Close CRM, close it is. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new lead? Okay, this is the idea that whenever a new lead is submitted or generated in Close CRM, it will send the data to Google Sheets. So that is why we have mentioned the trigger event as new lead. Straight away, just click on connect. We are going with the new connection. Now, by default, it is showing some data. We just have to remove this. So we actually have to enter the API key as well as the password. So to get the API key as well as the password, actually you have to you don't have to fill anything in this particular field, that is for the password. We don't have to fill the password. You just have to fill the API key. So to get the API key, you can just follow this instruction. First of all, you go to the settings and then you just click on the API. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're just going to click on settings and here you will find API keys. We click here. So as you can see, I have created 4 API keys. Now for your consideration, I'm going to create a new API key. So let me just add the API key name as G Sheets as for Google Sheets and straight away click on create key. So this is the API key. I have copied it and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so we have added the API key. Straight away just click on save. So when you click on save, at this point to integrate Close CRM to Pabbly Connect, all you have to do is just click on save and send test request. Let me do that. Okay, so as you can see, we do have a positive response that we have made an integration. So what we are going to do here is we are just going to make some entry once more. Okay, I've created a new lead actually. So this time the person works in Microsoft. Okay, and the contact name is 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Just click on create lead. So a new lead called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has been created. Now since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Close CRM, let's have a look whether Pabbly Connect has captured the details of this particular lead or not. So it is showing it is waiting for the data. Yes, we do have the data. So let's explore. Do we have the details? Yes, we have the name of the company where he works in, but we don't have the details of the lead name. Okay, we don't have the lead name, that is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 here. Okay, as you can see, you can't really find it. So what we're going to do here is we have to extract that particular detail from Close CRM, and that is why in the action window I'm going to select Close CRM. Okay, so I'm just going to click here. Okay, so now in the action event, how about we make it as get lead. Okay, so get lead, where is get lead? Okay, it must be get lead. Okay, this one. Just click on connect. Now here we have two choices, that new connection and the existing connection. Now for once we have already integrated Close CRM with Pabbly Connect, so we are just going to go with the existing connection. Now we have to go to the recent connection. So this is the recently applied connection, so we have selected it and just click on save. So by default it is already showing a field called as lead ID. So to extract the details of that particular lead, we have to input the lead ID. So this is the lead ID. So this is the detail that we have to map here. This is because on this particular address all the details of the leads are stored. In our case we want the name of the lead. So we click here, and let me just map the lead ID. So this is the lead ID and we have mapped it. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the response once again is a positive one. We have the name of the company. Okay, now we want the name of the person, that is 𝗪𝗆𝘆. Now we are going to send all these details to Google Sheet, and this is how you do it. You introduce one more action window. Now before we deal with Google Sheet, how about we create a new Google Sheet? Okay, so I'm just going to teach you everything from scratch, from creating a Google Sheet and sending the data from Close CRM to Google Sheet. So let's start with the blank. Okay, and how about we name this Google Sheet as Close CRM data. Okay, Close CRM. Oh, so already we have this name. So how about we just make it as new Close CRM data. Okay, so we have two columns, that is organization or the company name, and then we have the name of the employee or name of the lead. Okay, so we have two columns, organization and name. Now what we're going to do here is, here we are going to select the app as Google Sheets it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as add new row? Simply just click on connect. We are going with the new connection. Just click on connect with Google Sheets. So these are the series of email accounts I have. Now this particular Google Sheet called as new Close CRM data is present in this Gmail account. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, so Pabbly Connect wants access to my Google Sheet. So before I press continue, let me just remind you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just straight away click on continue. Authorization successful, brilliant, excellent. So by default it is already showing the select spreadsheet as a new Close CRM data. This is because we have this sheet, that is new Close CRM data. When we click here, you can find all the spreadsheet that is present in my Close account. So this is the spreadsheet that we want. Okay, now in the select sheet it is already showing the sheet as sheet 1. So let's start mapping. So we have the organization, so we click here and we have mapped it. So no, I'm sorry, we haven't mapped it. Let me just map the organization name, that is Microsoft, and here in the name we are just going to map the name of the guy, that is 𝗪𝗆𝘆. Okay, so we have mapped it. We have mapped the organization. We have also mapped the name. Just click on save and send test request to send this data to Google Sheets. So as you can see, we do have the organization Microsoft and the name as Thomas Rowe. The presence of this data indicates we have a successful integration between Close CRM and Google Sheet. So before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize all these windows one by one. So I have minimized the trigger window, minimized the action window, and minimized this action window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Close CRM to Pabbly Connect, and then once again, you have integrated Close CRM to get the details of a particular lead. And after that, you have integrated Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect to send this data to Google Sheets. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Close and Google Sheets. Excellent. So not just these two apps, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect as well as the workflow is available in the description box. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.